Zoom conference of about 100 people.
Nice.
There's a picture. It's freaky. Oh, Jesus. Okay, is that you?
Oh, I'm not. Oh shit.
Oh shit,
I'm not there.
you're not there.
Fuck. Where am I?
No, he's not. He's not in game.
Okay,
he's
well,
in the.
I'm near blue.
there's three. I don't know which one you are.
I'm near blue bins. Big bins.
Okay, I'm about to take this guy out. I'm probably got scavs on me now. I don't know if these were scavs or what, but they were just
fuck.
standing still.
What'd you jump for?
I don't know.
Oh, you did the panic jump.
I did. Can I
Alright, I'm down.
I don't
I'm
know where you are.
downstairs.
He's just a scav, isn't he? Is that you?
He looks like. No, that's not me.
I think that was a player.
I'm coming out. Oh, jeez.
It is.
Yes. I'm coming.
He's coming right for
Where
us.
are you?
Oh, that's where the shooting is.
I probably should turn off your friggin' sound. I'm gonna get myself.
Fucking.
Oh, nice one, nice one. That's two. Two for disco.
One.
Oh my
The
god.
guy that's in front of you there killed as well.
I'm still alive, but only just.
Fuck me.
Is that you shooting?
Yes. I'm inside the office area.
Okay, I'm not. I'm still down where I am. Oh my
Who
god.
opened that? Oh, disco!
Uh oh. Was that him?
No, it's not me.
No, just saying, like, you got another one.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Oh fuck, there's another one coming. I gotta reload.
No, that's.
Oh, I got no gun. Uh oh. This could be bad.
I'm down.
You've got no ammo.
I'm dead.
Have you got no ammo?
I think so.
Can you go reload and nothing happened or what?
Yeah.
Grab a gun.
Oh fuck!
Oh no.
No, no, no!
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh!
Can
Oh,
I
you
shut
got him!
this fucking door, please. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Give me something. I just...
It's annihilated these scavs and players.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, pick one of their guns up, man. With their
Yeah,
ammo.
dude, the guy... Yeah, loot.
What the hell is that?
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This is bad. This is bad. And I got no ammo left in that either.
Close the door.
Oh fuck! No, I'm out!
Uh-oh.
No! No!
Mistakes were made.
Oh, fuck. I got no ammo. I seriously got
pick
no
a-
ammo.
Pick a gun up.
Oh fuck! Oh Mosen, really? No.
Just drop a gun. Oh my god. Can you pick the gun? Can you?
Fuck me.
No, it's me.
It's out there.
Okay. Can you pick the guy's gun up on the left outside the door? Or drop? Have you dropped the gun?
No. No, I was gonna pick up the rest of the ammo from him.
Oh.
Close the door and do it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Well, you might as well shoot him before. Oh, he's already moved to the left. Oh, don't shoot him. Pick the Mosen up.
I think you're out of bullets for that now too.
I was just gonna say, how many you
Less
got?
than half.
He might not follow.
Oh.
left.
Right.
Fuck me.
He's hit the barbed wire on the outside there.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's a player.
Oh, on you.
Get his gun.
Fuck. I can't shut that
You can't
door.
close that door. Can
Wrong
you?
gun, wrong gun, wrong gun. Quick, 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 quick.
That's it. That's it.
Holy
That's all
fuck.
required.
Come on, 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 come on.
Drop the AK.
Oh, it's a nice little AK.
Paracord.
Take the backpack. Oh no.
Mm-mm.
That's
So-
the yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you got for me? Fuck all.
4 minutes.
He was dry as fuck.
He had ammo for the
Sega. Yeah.
Someone's moving.
That's it. Yeah. Oh, that was a player scope.
3 minutes. Gate 3, where's that? Camera
Where gate
box
3 is.
door. Please don't be anyone else out here.
You're gonna run around trying to find the exit, aren't you?
Oh, if I can find the forklift, I'm fine. Fucking bodies everywhere, man. Oh my god.
That won't fit there.
Move the yeah. It's someone. Oh no.
You're gonna need to move,
Forklift's
mate.
over there, isn't it?
Yeah. What do you need to do?
You get out.
Gate 3, which is way back there.
Way back there. It's literally just on the left. Through there.
Yeah.
Just go left now. I reckon someone's camping at the. So that's your exit just ahead of you.
Yep.
That's where you were.
Yeah, just watching. Fuck it.
Nice.
Please don't be exit campus. Fucking be pissed off if there is.
Nice.
Fuck that.
Just close that door behind you and then loot him. That's it.
That's a better rig, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And the helmet.
Yeah. It's not really worth anything, but maybe move stuff into your chest rig and
And the
then
axe.
take the Sega.
The axe is probably worth more.
No, you can't.
You can't take his
Oh, you can't take it?
No.
Oh, Sega, you reckon?
No, fuck that. Just move the juice down and then take the Sega. Sega's worth
Okay,
like
go.
20 grand. Good
work. Well done. Cop that.
Holy crap. Oh man.
Not bad for someone with no ammo.
That gets the
So many kills.
I spawned with a guy
3,900 XP.
right beside me.
7 kills.
Is that a scav or was that a... It was